Welcome to the Model Schools Early Years Literacy iPad Mini Adobe Connect Online Professional Learning Series. This video is specific to Session 1 of our series where we're looking at iPad Mini technical functionality and troubleshooting. Specifically, we're going to be taking a look at saving student content within the iPad and organizing that content through the use of two apps, Photos and Notes. If you're looking for more information regarding saving content and organizing content from student work through the use of apps that have been pushed out centrally for model schools, please consult with your coach, as well as please wait for more information on this during Session 3 of our face-to-face professional learning series. Typically, in most apps, students can save their work to the iPad Mini's camera roll. The camera roll is accessible within the Photos app. If I tap on the Photos app on the iPad, automatically I should launch into a view where I see all of the albums. Now at the bottom right hand corner there's an option to toggle between Photos and Albums. Starting within the album view, I can see that there is an album specifically titled Camera Roll. If I tap on that album, I'll have access to all of the content that students have created and saved to the camera roll. From here, a good practice would be to organize these photos into specific content folders. These folders would be called albums. To do so, if I tap on the select button in the top right hand corner, pick which photos I'd like to be in my new album, and then tap the Add To button, I can then add a new album from this menu view. I have the option here to create a new album title, tap Save, and those photos that I have just moved to that album should be accessible if I go back and take a look at the album titled New Album. If I go back, I can continue to add photos to that album by going back to my camera roll, pressing Select, tapping a new photo, tapping Add To, and then again to that album that I created. Another way to access student-related content is to use the Notes app. Here in this sample, we have some sample text laid out on the page. If I tap the left-hand side to go back to my main Notes view, I will see where that sample text has been saved along the left-hand side in this column. When creating a new Notes file, by tapping the paper and pencil icon in the top right-hand corner, again, typing in new text and tapping the Notes on the left-hand side brings me back to my column view where I can see all of the content listed. I can also delete content from this side just by coming to a note in the left-hand side, swiping from the right to left, and then tapping Delete. I can also delete a note by tapping the garbage can icon in the top right-hand corner.